So name the angles, homework, the back. For those of you who did not finish the worksheet yesterday because you didn't have a protractor at home, you'll have time today to finish that today. Let's do this fast, easy, and painless. Okay. You take this, and basically, you're going to fold it over like so. Should be a fast, easy lesson. Okay? With my lovely boys. Okay. Raise your hand if you can teach the class what an acute angle is. See it? Okay. Small. What else? What's an acute angle? What makes an angle acute? What does it measure?
30
Just 30?
No, it's 90 degrees.
Perfect. Okay. Let's write this down. Okay. The key is that it has to be less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees. So, what do they look like? It looks small. The opening is very small. Okay? No matter which way it goes, it's a small opening. Okay? So when you look at it without even a protractor, and the opening is small, it's good. So, key to remember, they're small and less than 90 degrees. So draw these examples, right? That's an acute. Think about it, it's like it's small, it's so cute. Like a baby, when you look at a baby, you're, oh, it's so cute. And then they grow up and you're like, no more. No more. Okay, obtuse. Who can tell me what an obtuse angle is? Big. Okay, big. What else? What does it measure? Mm-hmm. Measures more than 90 degrees. So, measures more 90 degrees. All right. Look, I'm struggling, but I need you to learn this. How many of you already learned this before today? Good. A little review. Okay, what do they look like? Big opening. Oh, shoot. Bad example. What does that look like, though? Yeah, so that's why I'm going to erase it, because no bueno. So, big opening. It could open in either direction, but they're nice and wide. Wide. If they're wide, they're acute. If they're wide, they're obtuse. Oy. So, anything like that is obtuse. Obtuse are big. Big. More than 90. If you have 91, it would be obtuse. 91 would be obtuse. Okay. The next one is called right. What's a right angle? What? So it equals 90 degrees. 100% has to equal 90. Equal 90. Now, what does it look like? An L. Very good. Now, it looks like an L. What do they always add?
The square.
The square. See, Anna, put that away. So this square is universal. It's universal. No matter where I go in the world, if I draw this and do this, it's a universal thing across the world. That means it's right. So I'll stop right here. So what I like to tell the kids, it's like if I hold my arms like this is exactly 90, right? anything here, anything my arms do here is acute. So anything this way is acute. How cute is this? Now anything to hurt my shoulder over here, ow, that's obtuse. So anything over here would be obtuse. Any angle that looks like this is obtuse. Exactly 90. All of this acute. All of this is so super cute. All right. Straight. Does anybody know what a straight is? Straight line. What does it measure? What does it measure, a straight? Okay, so what is a straight line? How many degrees do you think? 0 would be no line, nothing. 180. Okay, so I get to teach it to you. A straight angle equals exactly 180 degrees. 180, not 0. 0 means you have nothing. Picture would be a straight line. A straight line equals 180 degrees. Now, have you ever done or seen someone do like a skateboard trick? And they call it like, oh, he just did a 360. He did a 180. He did a 720, right? Or 7, is it 720? Yeah. What are all those numbers? All of those numbers are degrees. So if he did a 180, he started on the board facing this way, and he ended this way, meaning he did a straight angle. If he did a 360, if someone did a 360 on their bike or their skateboard, they do what? A 360 means a whole full rotation. But what you don't realize is that those people are doing math. They're doing angles. All of those tricks are based on angles. How many times did they spin around? So when you hear someone's like, oh my God, I just hit a 720, that's how many degrees they went around in a circle. I can just do 90. Just come here. You know. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pass out some glue. Pass out some glue a little bit later. And what I want you to do, just glue it in your notebook so you have it with you. Okay? All right. Okay. Now, for this, you're going to do two things, Layla. You're going to measure it and then what it's called classify, meaning name it. Okay. I haven't passed out protractors. Have not passed out protractors on purpose. I want you just to look at number 2. Does everybody find number 2? You're on the front side where it says right. This. Okay. Just by looking, what do we call this? Acute, obtuse, right, or straight? Just by looking. Acute. You're correct. Why? It's small. Okay. You see this opening? So what you do with your eyes, look at this. And this is a small opening. Okay? If you had a protractor, you would measure it and see more than 90, less than 90. But the advanced way is look at it. Is it small or is it big? It's pretty small. So what do we call it when it's small? Acute. So we're going to write acute. It's small. Okay, let's look at the next one here. This opening right here. a big opening, right? So if it's a big, what are we going to call it? Obtuse. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So we're just looking. Is it small? Is it big? Is it small? Is it big? Pass back the glue when it's done. Pass it back. Are you guys done with the front side naming now? Here's the front side naming. Okay. Is everybody done with the front side naming?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now that you're done with the front side naming, now we're going to measure. So go back to the first one we did together. Use your protractor. Oh, I would extend your lines. 100% extend your lines. Extend your lines, right? Extend your lines. Makes it so much easier to read. Okay. Upside down T. Okay. Reminder from yesterday. Upside down T right here on where the lines meet. If you were absent yesterday, please pay attention. Upside down T there. Then make sure this 0, the line matches up. I made my lines longer. Now let's read it. Are we going to use the outside numbers and the inside numbers? Outside or inside?
Outside.
Thank you. So 0, 10, 20. Plus, you already called it a Q. You already called it small. So it should be a small number.
40 degrees.
Yep. What is it? 40 degrees. So after I measure it, I already have the word acute. Now I'm going to write in 40 degrees. So now you go back and you measure them. Now you go back and you measure. So I placed it there. Placed it there. It's on the 40 degrees. Labeled it 40. All right. Second one. Obtuse. Let me extend my lines. So I made my lines longer with the ruler. With the ruler. Upside down T. Do you have protractors, Raul, Armando, on your desk? All right. There it is. Now, I wrote big, so it should be a big number, right? I'm going to use the outside numbers. How much does this one measure?
16.
So it says big. So I need a big number.
120.
The hardest part, Aaron, is which numbers do I use? The inside numbers or the outside numbers? All right, let's keep working.